cleaning the cell, and I'm putting out up to 27 volts. Sort of pulsating. I got these. I got a battery charge right here. 26 volts, and power supply of 12 volts DC in series, and going through a DC motor controller, basically pulse width modulation module that is at 15 kilohertz, I believe. Basically adjusting the voltage. Right now it's at maximum. Just reversed the voltage to reverse the hydrogen generation between plates, is to reverse the process to clean out the other side of the cell plates, and it's just going to take a little time to ramp up. And I'm going to start coming out here again, although I see it's more bubbly. So the bubbles go up this way, down the T, and through a filter down in, and this here will filter out or throw it out after, and just replenish some more water. Basically this is just tap water, but this cell had acid in there before, hydrochloric acid, I believe. I do have some extra borax here that I could add, but I'm experimenting with Heredex, which is basically gingivitis rinse. The blue stuff, I'll show you, and just trying to add it in there. I got no idea what it will do. Just experimenting. So this is the Heredex mouthwash or rinse for gingivitis. So it's basically a mouthwash with some extra stuff. So I noticed since I pour this in the mix, there's a lot more bubbles and coming out from both sides, hopefully cleaning out the system. So I will add some more in here. I'll just add it through this filter, otherwise I would add it between the filter, but one-handed. So I'll just add that in there. It goes through in there. Just basically adding a little bit. Okay. And I can also close off this valve. Oops. And open this valve here. To get any stuff accumulated on the bottom to come out. But I didn't see much gunk coming through, so I'll close this. And go back to this one. It's bubbling like crazy. So as this is tap water, clean tap water. As this is cleaning out over here, all the gunk, I'm gonna, and level is getting low, I'm gonna replenish this. And once this gets full, I will again put it back in here, circulate it. Running about 39, 40 volts between the charger here, which puts us at 26 and this puts at 12, and going through the DC pulse with modulation. So it's oscillating a little bit, but it's pumping out the bubbles, a lot of them. I want to get most of those out so that I get clean hydrogen. Basically I'm rinsing the cell because it wasn't used for many years, and didn't take it apart to clean it all out. That's the best way to do it, but I just wanted to rinse it out and start using it as I'm researching a bit more about efficiency of these things. There's some new way of doing things, and supposedly it's very efficient. Just trying to find out information and improve the quality here. Yeah, there's still a lot of suds coming out over here. Let's see. No, actually it's not bad. It's cleaner, much cleaner. Just getting the rust out and gunk. So the level is down a bit again. I'm gonna put some more in. Now I need to put this back in into here. There we go. Clean this out a bit. Strange that it's coming out at the end when it has opening on the bottom. A lot of suds still. But I see it's cleaning up. There's less and less suds coming through now. So that I will just dump out in the driveway and come back. So for the most part it cleaned out. There's still a little bit of rusty color in there, but I put it back into here, added some more clean water to add to the level. Gonna run it like this for some time, and so I've been reversing the power as well to reverse the process. I guess I'm gonna do it right now. So see the voltage went up to 42. So negative and positive, positive and negative, and here we go. Now it's going to start reversing. Of course, bubble is still going to go up in the same direction because this terminal is higher than the terminal on the back, which is on the bottom. But the flow between the plates is reversed. So I get minus in the middle right now and plus on the outsides. So as you can see, it's still going. I just want to descale basically the plates. I will eventually take it apart and check out the plates and everything, but for now I'm just doing this to see what I can do about rinsing this. I'm surprised after seeing so many years there's no leaks in the cell, no shorts, so any scale built up inside is minimal, and it's still running. Right now it's running on higher voltage than usual. This is not the experiment I'm doing is not really to do with putting on 12 volts and running it in a car anyway. I'm just trying to keep up on the research of efficiency of these things, how to make them efficient. I hear there's some secret things. One guy is talking about galvanized metal, and then on the science they're talking about some discovery using some other method to the different materials to get the efficiency. It might be that galvanized plates would do the trick, or maybe just one of them galvanized, the other one stainless steel. I'm not sure. So when I do take it apart, I do have some spare cells, plates, but I can make up cells out of galvanized sheet metal and try to put those in there, see what it does. That's gonna come later. Alright, that's it for now. I'm gonna put this to rest, go upstairs to eat supper, and then I'll come back. I'll let this run. As we can see, no more suds there anymore, so it's I'm gonna reverse it back to normal, run for a little bit. Again, this is just tap water, so there is not much salt or anything in there to make it produce, so mostly this is bubbling of water and heat. So the idea was just to clean it. Okay, so let's reverse. Gonna let it run like this.